Good evening all. Audio video clear, please mention. Welcome all of you to this lecture on number system. Topic is factors and divisibility. Please invite your friends also to be part of this lecture. This lecture is very useful for, or particularly useful for, the upcoming UPSC exam and for other exams like GATE exams, CSIR NET exams also. So invite all your friends preparing for these exams. Okay, so let us start. So today's topic is audio video clear. Now please respond whether the audio video is clear. Yes. So let's start. For the new people, this is a lecture series with 40 lectures. Yeah, one announcement to make. There is a slight change in timing of this course from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards, instead of 9 p.m., it will be 8:30 p.m. So please keep a note. And if you don't want to miss any update, or in case any time change and all, you are not getting updated, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated. But you can keep a note of this. Tomorrow onwards, 8:30 p.m. the course will continue as it is. Only change of timing from 9 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 8:30 to 9 o'clock will be the timing of the course from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so let us start. For the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. More about me is given here. I have written few books on general aptitude, and this is my course for general aptitude for CSIR NET exam, which is available in my mobile application. And flashcards for UPSC CSAT, flashcards for CSIR NET are available in the mobile application Christy's classes. The link is given in the description of the video. And if you want free study materials from us, you can join our website or blog. You can follow our blog, christyvarghese.in. in website you can find it, and Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, and mobile application Christy's classes. You can scan this QR or just check the description of the video to get links of all this. And in this channel itself, you can find a lot of playlists for different exams, for UPSC CSAT, for GATE exam, for CSIR NET exam, for Vedic maths. Many playlists are available. According to the exam you're preparing for, you can check out these playlists also. So this is the complete schedule of this course. Today we are discussing factors and divisibility topic. Factors and divisibility. Last classes we discussed about types of numbers and different types of number, and about digits and place values, arithmetic operations connected to digits and place values. All these things we discussed. So today we are discussing about factors. What is a factor and what is a multiple? In school you have learned factors and multiples. Now, a number is a factor of another if the former exactly divides the latter. For example, 5 is a factor of 30. 5 is a factor of 30 means you can divide 5 into 30 into 5 equal parts. That is the meaning. Now, each part will be 6 value each. 6, or you can think it like 30 mangoes. I always tell this example to make students understand about factors or division or divisibility. 30 mango divided among 5 people, everyone will get 6 mangoes. No fraction involved, no remaining mango. If remaining mango is there, there is a remainder. That is what we call remainder in maths. For example, if it is 31 mango, you try to divide among 5 people. Everyone will get 6 mangoes, but after that there is 1 mango. There will be a fight regarding that 1 mango, or that is not exactly divisible. That is why it is not a factor. 5 is not a factor of 31, but 5 is a factor of 30. Similarly, 30 is what of 5? 30 is a multiple of 5. 30 is a multiple of 5. Factor and multiple words. I hope all of you are clear. Then a very interesting question. From that we will start today's discussion. Why circle is divided into 360 degree? Have you ever thought about it? Circle dividing to 360 degree. Why can't it be divided into 100 degree? Because 360 also we just assumed it, na? Some people think that 360 is like something connected to circle. No, that is something that we assumed. Circle is divided into 360 degree. You could have divided it into 100 degree also. What is the problem in dividing it into 100 degree? That is connected to factors mainly. Because if it was 100, taking 1/3 of Like if the central angle of, I'm telling about central angle, those of your math background is not that strong. Circle central angle is 360, that all of you know, right? So if circle central angle is 360, if it was 100, 100 is the common number we use now, 100 meter or 100 kilometer, or telling in multiples of 10 is easy for us now. Then why didn't we use 100 degree? Because if it was 100, if you want to divide the circle into 3 equal parts, each part will be 33.3333333333 degree. That is inconvenient, na? Because the factors of 100 are limited. 100 have only 9 factors. 100 have only 9 factors. These are the 9 factors of 100. How to identify factor of a number? 100, 1 is a factor, 100 is a factor. Normally factors come in pairs. 1 into 100 is 100, na? And 2 is a factor, 2 into 50 is 100. So 2 and 50 are factors. 3 is not a factor, 4 is a factor, 4 and 25 are factors. 5 is a factor, 5 into 20 is 100, so 5 and 20 are factors. 10 is a factor, 10 into 10 is factor, so no other number as a pair. So these are the 9 factors of 100. 100 have only 9 factors means you can divide 100 into these portions. Like if it was, the circle was 100 degree, full circle is 100 degree, half circle is 50 degree, 50 degree each. 4 circle, if it is divided into quarter, for 25 degree, 25 degree, 25 degree, okay. 5, 20 degree, 20 degree, 10, 100 by 10, 10 degree each, 100 by 25 degree each, 100 by 25, 4 degree each, 100 by 50, 2 degree each, 100 by 100, 1 degree each. You can divide it into 9 portions conveniently, but 360 you can divide it into 24 parts. It have too many factors, or especially the first 10 natural numbers, 9 of them are factors of 360. This is one major reason why we have chosen 360 degree as a central angle of the circle. Again, this question is not the important point, but this leads us to the discussion of factors, the relevance of factors. All of you are getting the point. Except 7, all other numbers are factors of 360 up to 10. And 360 is also called highly composite number. I will that is not very important, but it is good to know. Highly composite numbers are, composite number we discussed in the number system, number types of numbers chapter, na? Highly composite means when a number have more factors than any other number below that, that is called a highly composite number. Like 360 have 24 factors, no other number below 360 have 24 or more than 24 factors. That is why 360 is a highly composite number. That definition is not very important, but it is good to know. So anyway, the factors, how to identify factors is very important. And this is also important, number of factors, how to identify number of factors. Before that, we should understand the factorization or prime factorization idea. In school, you have learned about prime factorization, na? Process of factoring a number in terms of prime numbers. So, for example, if I am taking 36, in school you have done like this, 36 by 2, 18, 18 by 2, 9, 9 by 3, because 9 cannot be divided by 2, so 9 by 3 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1. That means 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, or 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. This form is called prime factorization. And if you prime factorize, you see, it is easy to find the number of factors. For 360 I told 24 factors are there now. How I knew? For 100 I told 9 factors are there. Or for these numbers, we can see the number of factors, but without listing all the factors, how to identify the number of factors? This concept is important. So the idea is very simple. First prime factorize it. And write it in exponent form. That is how we normally prime factorize and write in exponent form. Na? Then the powers, add 1 to that powers and multiply them. That will be the total number of factors. That will be the total number of factors. Total number of factors of any number. For example, 72. Number of factors will be 12 because 72 is prime factorized as 2 cube plus 3 square. This 3 plus 1, 4. This 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply these two, 4 into 3, that is 12. 72, what are the 12 factors? If you want, you can see here, 1 into 72 is 72. 2 into 36 is 72. In pairs, you can write, then you will not miss any factor. Is it divisible by 3? Test of divisibility we will discuss. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, number is also divisible by 3. So 72 is divisible by 3. So 3 into 24 is 72. 4 into 18 is 72. 5 is not a factor. 6 is a factor. 6 into 12 is 72. 8 into 9 is 72. These are the factors. These are the 12 factors. But instead of listing it out, you can directly say using this idea. I hope all of you understood it. This idea was asked in GATE exam also and in UPSC exam also. I will show you the UPSC question. Before that, please practice 1 or 2 questions of this. Please find it super fast. Find the number of factors of 12. Without listing all factors, can you find the factors of 12? That is the question. And those of you who want to be part of our Telegram group, Telegram channel, for UPSC, we have created a separate Telegram channel. In the description, it is there. For CSIR and GATE also, there is another Telegram channel. So you can check it out in the description of this video. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see. So very simple. First prime factorize 12. By practicing, you can prime factorize it in your head itself. 12 is divisible by 2, 1, 2. 12 is divisible by 2 into 2, 4 also. 12 is not divisible by 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 square is there. Then 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 cube, 2 square into 3 raised to 1. This 2 and this 1 you take. Add 1 to that. 3 and 1 added 2. Multiply 3 into 2, 6 factors will be there. All clear? That is how to find the number of factors. Find the number of factors. So find the number of factors of 36. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. So this 2 and this 2, add 1 to that. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Multiply it. 3 into 3, 9. 200. If 200, if you prime factorization part, I am leaving it to you. 2 cube into 5 square. This 3 and this 2, you add 1 to that. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, multiply, you will get 12. So this you can try as homework. 315, when you prime factorize, you will get this. Yeah, if there are 3 factors, all 3 powers you have to take up and add up. How many factors are there? That many powers you have to take up and add 1 to that and multiply. And this was a UPSC CSAT question. See whether it is anyway connected to anything we have discussed till now. Please try this question, all of you. 2 minutes I will give you, all of you try. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see. Let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? This question does not look anything like something we have discussed till now, but it is exactly what we just discussed now. Number of factors. How? I will explain. Let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x means 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. That means 7x is divisible by x also, 96 is divisible by x also. Yeah, that actually I have added it in this flashcard. Due to lack of time, I haven't discussed it. When a number is divisible by another number, it is divisible by the factors also. If 360 is divisible by 12, 360 is divisible by 2, 3, 4 also. And the property we are using here is this actually. When a number is a factor of two given number, it is also a factor of their sum and difference also. For example, if 12 is a factor of 360, 360 is divisible by 12 now, and 12 is a factor of 120 also. Then 12 is a factor of 360 plus 120 also, or it is factor of 360 minus 120 also. Same way in this question, what is the question saying? 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. Then 7x is divisible by x also. 96 is divisible by x also. Then only 7x plus 96 can be divisible by x. Now, all of you are getting that point. So 7x is divisible by x means x and x cancels. That is divisible. That we already know. 96 divisible by x. This is the point. When all will be 96 divisible by x. 96 divisible by x means x is the factor of 96. Or when all x will be factor of 96, or what are the factors of 96, how many are there? That is the question. Na? How many factors of 96 are there? That is what indirectly the question is asking. We found that in the previous questions. Na? Instead of those numbers, question is asking factors of 96. Look how they have twisted that concept into a question. When you read it first, you will not understand this is number of factor question. Latest question in the UPSC CSAT, and this can be asked for other exams also. So 96 divisible by x. So what all are the factors of 96, or what all? We don't want to write all those because that is time consuming. So we use that shortcut technique we discussed. 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 1 is the prime factorization of 96. So 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 1 is 5 and 1 are the powers. So add 1 to that. 5 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. 6 into 2, 12 will be the number of factors. All clear? Yes, Nikita, definitely. ये सारा streams के लिए, सारा CSIR NET streams के लिए ये course useful होगा. We are discussing questions from UPSC previous year questions, but the concepts we are discussing is very important for other exams also. Okay, सबको clear है ना? So latest previous year question का discussion हुआ. We have discussed the latest previous year questions. Okay, now one more thing, division algorithm. What is division algorithm? This is something we have learned in maybe 6th standard or 7th standard. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, 60 is equal to 10 into 6 plus 0. That is, if it is 60 mangoes, you can divide it among 10 people as 6 mango each. 6 mango each you can divide among 10 people. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. Everyone will get 6 mango each. Everyone will get 6 mango each. That means we can say 10 into 6 plus no remainder. So divisor is 10. That is what we are dividing with. 60 mango divided among 10 people. And what is the quotient? What is the value you get when you divide? 6. So 10 into 6 plus what is the remainder? No remainder. If it was 62, it will be 2 remainder. Na? About remainder case we will be discussing in a separate lecture. Remainder theorem or remainder related we will be discussing. I think it is the next lecture itself. There we will be discussing about reminders in detail. I hope this much is clear. Division algorithm. Now the most important concept is test of divisibility. Very important concept. Test of divisibility means how to identify whether a number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11. At least till 11 you should know. Let us learn as a group. 2, 4, 8 is a group, 5 and 10 is a group, 3, 9, 6 is a group, 7 is a type, and 11 is a type. 2, 4, 8, how to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or 4 or 8? Very simple. If the last digit is divisible by 2, or if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, or if last 3 digit is divisible by 8, that is how to identify. I will explain. For example, 2056 last digit is 6. That is divisible by 2. Now divisible by 2 means 6 is a multiple of 2. Multiple, divisible, both mean same. Just this digit is enough to check that, na? Yeah, that is already clear to all of you, I guess. Even number is divisible by 2. But for forced divisibility, you have to check the last 2 digit, that digit group, that should be divisible by 4. 56 is divisible by 4. So 2056 also is divisible by 4. For 8, last 3 digit 056 should be divisible by 8. 056 is divisible by 8, so 2056 also divisible by 8. Similarly, if you want to find 16 is divisible, last 4 digits, 32, last 5 digits, and so on. But last 5 digit and all, then the number should be more than 6 digits, 7 digits, then only that method will help you now. Okay, anyway, at least 2, 4, 8 divisibility you should know. Now 5 and 10's divisibility is also based on last digit. If last 1 digit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5. If last 1 digit is 0 exactly, then it is divisible by 10. So that is also clear, I guess. Now 3, 9 and 6 are connected. If that is based on sum of digits. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, number is also divisible by 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is divisible by 3. That is why 123 is divisible by 3. Because 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. 6 divisible by 3. Na? 3 is a factor of 6. 7 plus 2 plus 9 is divisible by 9. So 729 is divisible by 9. Sum of digits divisible by 9 will make the number divisible by 9. And how to check 6 divisibility? 6 does not have any other method, but 6 factors are 2 and 3. If both factors are divisible, 6 is also divisible. So check whether it is divisible by 2 and 3. 2's divisibility is even number condition we discussed. Number should be even. 3's divisibility is sum of digits being multiple of 3. If both conditions are satisfied, then it is divisible by 6. For example, 216, even number, and sum of digit is 9. So it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. Clear? And 7 and 11's divisibility is little tricky. 7's divisibility exactly. And one thing, if you people are understanding the concepts, do hit the like button and do let me know whether you are understanding. Those of you are watching this recording also, please comment on this video what you felt about this video, and do share it with your friends also. Okay, to check whether a number is divisible by 7, take the last digit and double it and subtract it from the remaining number. 5 double is 10. Divide it, subtract from the remaining 17. 17 minus 10 is 7. As 7 is divisible by 7, 175 is also divisible by 7. One more example I will show you. 343. I hope all of you know 343 is divisible by 7. But let us check. 3 double is 6. Subtract it from 34. 34 minus 6 is 28. 28 divisible by 7. So 343 is also divisible by 7. That is test of divisibility of 7. Now test of divisibility of 11 is alternate position numbers you add up. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Subtract that. If that subtraction gives you 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is also a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means it is a factor. 11 is a factor. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1 and 3 and 5 you add up. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. 2 and 4 and 6 you add up. That is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 is not a multiple of 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also not a multiple of 11. So that is test of divisibility of 11. At least this much you should know. And this was a CSAT 2019 question. All of you make a try. Some of you got an answer already. Very good. All of you try. Those of you are watching this recording also, please try these questions. Okay, so I'll explain. So this question is purely based on test of divisibility. Now, test of divisibility of what? 3. It is directly mentioned in the question itself. Where? Let's see. So, an 8-digit number 4252746B leaves remainder 0. Leaves remainder 0 means it is exactly divisible. Means 3 is a factor. 3 is a factor of this number. For 3 to be a factor of this number, 3 should be a factor of 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus B also. Because if sum of digits is a multiple of 3, number is also a multiple of 3. So that only you need to check. 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus B. Adding all these natural numbers, you will get 30. 30 plus B should be a multiple of 3. 30 is also a multiple of 30 is a multiple of B. I just told you now that theorem na. If two factors are divisible, sum is also divisible. So for sum to be divisible, two factors should be divisible. That way, if you think as 30 is divisible, yeah, if 30 was not divisible, the other number may not be divisible. That way also, like if it was 29, 29 plus 4, both are not divisible. Sum can be divisible. But if 30 is divisible, then B should also be divisible. Then only yeah, just imagine 30, if to the 30, if you're adding a 4, if will it be divisible by 3? No. You should add a multiple of 3. That is either 3 or 6 or 9. That are the only digits which is multiples of 3. Na? So B should be either 3 or 6 or 9. Either 3 or 6 or 9 only. What is the question? How many values of B are possible? Yeah, 0 is also possible. B can be 0 also. That is one thing you should be careful about. There is chances that we can miss 0. Thinking that 0 non-zero nahi hai, or a 0 is not a natural number. Natural number, it is not necessary. It should be any of the digits. 0 to 9 are the digits in decimal number system we discussed in the last classes now. So 0, 3, 6, 9 all are possible. 30 plus 0 is 30. That is a multiple of 3. 30 plus 3, 33, multiple of 3. 30 plus 6, 36, multiple of 3. 30 plus 9, 39, multiple of 3. Yes, Anjali, I also missed when I told it first. 0 should be included. So that is why 4 possibilities are there. 4 possibility, not 3 possibility. Option C is the answer. That is how, that is why in the beginning I told you about digits, place values, all those things. After that we are coming to this. In decimal number system, 0 is a digit, so B can be 0. All clear? Please respond. So that is how divisibility idea can be indirectly asked. So these are again questions related to this divisibility or test of divisibility itself. We can try this. And in CSIR NET also same type idea question was asked. This can be tried as a homework question. Here also divisibility itself. Here also factor idea. Hope all of you got an idea about this chapter. Basically, this many things you should be clear. And this was a question asked in 2019 CSAT. This was asked in 2020 CSAT. We will try this question and complete today's session by this question. Please try this question super fast. Once again, asking all of you, hope the series is being useful for you. Your valuable comments will be an encouragement for me. So please do that in the comment section. What you felt about the session, that is the only way. Especially those who are not attending live also, please take an effort to, because that is the only communication that is possible now. If you're watching recording, if you want to tell me something, you have to post it in the comments. That way I will get to know your feedbacks. If it is good, if it is not good, or if anything you need more in this course, you can suggest all that. Your suggestions are all welcome. Okay, so I'll explain due to lack of time. A digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3. Digit n greater than 3. Digit means 0 to 9, means greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which are the digits divisible by 3? 6 and 9 only. But it is not divisible by 6 is mentioned, so 6 cannot be taken. So the digit they are telling about is 9. Clearly it is 9. No confusion at all. Then which one of the following is divisible by 4? Now don't take, no need to analyze it directly. Elimination is better. Putting n equal to 9 in each option. 2 into 9, 3 into 9, 2 into 9 plus 4, 3 into 9 plus 1. Because we understood n is 9. Na? Understanding n is 9 is the only challenge in this question. The rest is so simple. And when you calculate it, you will get 18, 27, 22 and 28. The only multiple of 4 is 28. As it is a small number, you don't have to use test out divisibility or anything. You should know 4's multiples are 20, 24, 28, 32, etc. Na? In that list, 18, 27, 22 are not there. So A, B, C are eliminated. As I always tell, be flexible with the methods. Elimination possibility, always search for it. Taking example possibility also. Here we took an example, but this is the only example possible. That is why it is not a perfect taking example method, because we are identifying the value itself. So about shortcut methods and all, we will plan for 1 or 2 more lectures. Few lectures I have already given in this YouTube channel. You can check it out on shortcut approaches or shortcut methods for UPSC and other exams. Okay, Afrin. So I think let's conclude here. Hope all of you felt this session was useful. If so, we'll meet tomorrow. Once again, I'm reminding tomorrow's class is 8:30 p.m. Tomorrow onwards, the timing is changing. From tomorrow onwards, it will be 8:30 p.m. As I told. Make sure you are subscribed. You have subscribed the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get update in case any time change or anything is there. Tomorrow onwards, 8:30 p.m. will be the live class timing. Tomorrow's topic is LCM and HCF. Thank you, Srimanta. Thank you for the good words. So LCM and HCF we will discuss in the next class. So once again, those of you want our flashcards for UPSC CSAT or CSIR NET exam, or the full courses for CSIR NET and upcoming full course for GATE, you can check out our mobile application. Suhasini, in the Telegram channel, I will share it soon. In the Telegram channel, we will share it soon. So that's it. So thank you all of you. Please try to invite your friends to the series. Let us make it a series where more people are being part of this live initiative. Thank you so much to top 10. Yeah, we will stick on to English language itself. Tamil puriyum yana broken Tamil avum adanale we will stick on to English itself. In our previous videos, bilingual course of English and Hindi is there, but this course we are sticking on to English itself. That will be better. Okay, because everyone will be able to understand if it is English. So we'll keep it English itself. Any other suggestions or anything, definitely you can tell in the chat or in the comments. Otherwise, we can conclude for today. Hope all of you are understanding the concepts. Hope all of you are enjoying this live course initiative. If so, please share it with maximum of your friends who are preparing for upcoming UPSC exam or other exams, as I told, CSIR NET, GATE and other exams also, because these topics are common for most of the exams. These topics are common for most of the exams. That is why you can invite your other aptitude preparing friends also. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good night. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.